Hi guys, it's Tamisha with Toolbox Divas, and last year, it's safe to say, I became a little bit of an urban gardener. I became very enthusiastic about the whole idea of gardening, and I created my first raised bed garden, and I overplanted. Overplanting meaning I needed to put some things elsewhere, so I created a little makeshift garden. Well, my makeshift garden was okay. It allowed me to save some of the plants that I overplanted, but it wasn't deep enough. And honestly, it just did not cut it. So this year I am going to redo my cinder block raised overflow garden. And also with the help of Loctite PL Premium Max, we're going to be securing these cinder blocks. And I'm going to reuse the cinder blocks that I had last year, as well as add on some additional that I bought. And we're going to make this work. And we're going to make this work on a budget. All right, guys, let's get dirty. So I started off with a trip to my favorite store, the Home Depot, so that I can pick up all the supplies that I'll need. So we start by cleaning up the area. And the first things first when redoing this raised bed planter is to ensure that the base foundation of the planter is nice and level. So with the help of the Toolbox Dude, we're going through and we're ensuring that all of the cinder blocks that are at the bottom of the raised bed planter is nice and even and level. With the base of the raised planter level, now I'm going back and applying the Loctite PL Premium Max into the seams of the concrete cinder blocks. So now we're going to apply the second layer. Loctite's PL Premium Max is Loctite's highest strength construction adhesive, and it's waterproof and can be applied to wet and frozen surfaces. It works well on brick and masonry materials as well as wood, laminate, marble, metal, stainless steel, and more. I'm actually just going to stack them on top of one on top of the other of the same size. And instead of doing like a brick pattern, I'm going to, because it's all leveled and I'm using the Loctite PL Premium Max, I feel confident that I can glue this together and it'll be nice and sturdy. PL Premium Max is great for indoor and outdoor use. And it's also great for framing, flooring, stairs, and railing, and other landscaping and deck projects. And one of my favorite features is there is no strong odor. It's also repositionable for up to 20 minutes and fully cures in 24 hours. To alleviate the cinder blockiness, yes, I'm making that word up, cinder blockiness of the whole raised bed garden, I'm going back and I'm adding a wood topper to the top of the raised bed planter. And for the decorative wood topper, I use inexpensive pressure-treated picket fencing because it was super affordable, and right now lumber costs are through the roof. The raised bed garden is finally done, and I have to say that I love the way this all turned out, and makes me wish I would have done this way originally. However, I didn't know. I'm learning about gardening. I'm a new urban gardener. And I have to say that the Loctite PL Premium Max made this project so easy because it was so easy to use and it works so well. So now I just have to work on a trellis and some sort of fencing to keep Mr. Groundhog out of my garden. All right, guys, till next time.